Dedication pays off.
So welcome back guys in this episode number 3. Today we'll be learning more about how to analyze circuits, what are the components, what we build in or use in circuits, basically small components, and what are their polarities look like and what is polarity and all those stuffs, right? So today we'll be more focused on how to analyze and how to judge the circuit based on their figures and how to build circuits in simulation softwares, right? And today we'll be learning more about opening our minds and during, you can say, like judging the circuits in the household systems, right? So stay tuned guys and let's get started.
Welcome again guys, and today in episode number 3 we'll be learning more about building and understanding circuits and tools, and in the next lecture we'll be learning about online tools for circuit making, circuit diagrams, circuit simulation in detail, and after that we'll be building our own circuit by soldering it. Okay, so let's get started for today. Understanding circuits. Now circuits are majorly of two types. First is based on connection, that is parallel connection and series connection. So first we'll be talking about parallel connection today, right? As you can see on your screens, this is parallel connections. Now as you can see the parallel connection diagram, you can see we have two terminals in our powerhouses, in our power switches at our home, right? One is positive and one is negative, and that positive wire is called as live wire and the negative wire is also called as the neutral wire at our household electronics or electrical system, right? So as soon as we connect that wire, and if you can see one wire, basically if you can see my mouse pointer, you'll be understanding one wire is going to the top side, then it is again going to the top and again going to the top, right? In AC, what is happening is, in AC there is no system of polarity, because in AC current polarity changes automatically, but in DC it does not happen, right? For as you see in the example of AC current, that is alternating current, you might be knowing CFL bulbs or the LED bulbs having two polarities there, two connecting wires, right? One is positive and other one is negative, that is live and neutral wire, right? So in parallel connection, what we do is we connect all the live wires of circuits together and neutral wires of circuits together, not in line by line but together alternatively, right? Yeah, this concept you can understand when you see the series connection as well. Before beginning series connection, just keep this picture in mind so that you get it better understand there, like what exactly the parallel and series are all about. So this is the parallel connection. How does it look like, right? You can see this parallel connection. The positive wire is connecting all the positive lines of bulb and the negative wire is connecting all the negative side of the bulb. This is what it is called as parallel connection, connecting all the components with the same line at different junctions or different stations, right? This is called parallel circuit or the parallel connection. What is the profit of parallel connection? If you see at your household, if some of the equipment, यदि कोई भी equipment आपके घर पे खराब हो जाता है parallel connection के time पे, and all your house wiring is based on parallel connection only, there is no series connection at your house. I'll let you know why exactly it happens. क्योंकि पैरेलल कनेक्शन में एक सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है कि यदि आपका कोई भी कंपोनेंट खराब हो जाता है, एनी कंपोनेंट्स बिकम डेड और मैल फंक्शंस, इट डज नॉट अफेक्ट द अदर कंपोनेंट्स, राइट? एज यू कैन सी द सेंटर बल्ब इज गोइंग out of life, but yet it is not affecting the working of other two bulbs. This is all about parallel connections. Okay, जिनको समझ में नहीं आया, do not panic, right? I'll just let you know in series connection ki what are the differences exactly. These are series connection at the left hand side and you can see the parallel connection at right hand side. अब आप series connection में देखो तो एक के बाद एक जंक्शन कनेक्टेड है आपस में बल्ब के, नॉट डायरेक्टली विद द बैटरी बट विद द बल्ब. ठीक है, यदि पहला वाला बल्ब यहाँ पे फ्यूज हो जाता है तो the other two will also become dead because the circuit will break here due to the fusing of this first bulb. Whereas in parallel connection, if one bulb becomes dead, any three like in any three of them, इनमें से कोई भी एक यदि बल्ब डिफ्यूज हो जाता है या फ्यूज हो जाता है, सो बाकी के जो दो हैं वो कंटिन्यूसली जलते रहेंगे. इट डज नॉट अफेक्ट इट बिकॉज इफ यू सी द वायरिंग, सबको इंडिविजुअल पावर सप्लाई मिल रही है फ्रॉम द बैटरी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप देखें सीरीज कनेक्शन में तो एक ही लाइन से सबको पावर मिल रहा है. यदि एक भी लाइन बीच में डैमेज होती है, सो it will affect the other two, but in parallel circuit it does not happen. This is the reason why at home we built a parallel connection circuit. यदि आपके घर में कोई भी एक रूम में लाइट खराब हो जाती है, so it does not affect the other room's electricity. This is the major advantage of parallel connection. And in series connection we connect all the circuits all together, right? So this is the major difference in parallel and series combination. You can see the one more example with a circuit diagram here. The circuit diagram is at the bottom. This is how it looks like, right? You can see two lines. One is for positive and the shorter one is for negative. Then this straight line, these are for wires. These cross circular disc represents the lights, right? And if you took out the plug from the battery, all the three will become dead. All three become totally non-responsive. This is the major disadvantage of series connection, and this is why we does not use series connection at our homes. I hope this is clear to you guys. This is series and this is parallel connection. Very simple concept, right? And whomsoever is not able to understand, just put it down in the comment section. I'll help you out there. Okay? Now let's study about electronic components. The first one is light emitting diode, LED, what you call it as in the market availability. LED bulbs or LED lights or simple LED. This is how an LED looks like. And if you see the LED clearly, you'll see a case, a plastic case at the top, and you see two wires coming from that plastic bottom, right? These two wires are little bit having some differences in their lengths. If you see, one is shorter and one is longer. The longer one is called anode or the positive terminal, and the shorter one is called the negative terminal or the cathode. Always remember the positive and negative legs of the LED. The longer one is for positive and the shorter one is for negative, because this is where you get confused. क्योंकि आपको बैटरी में हमेशा पॉजिटिव में पॉजिटिव लगाना है, नेगेटिव में नेगेटिव. इफ यू कनेक्टेड इनवर्सली और in reverse connection, it will not glow, it will not work, right? So if you see the detailed diagram of LED, you can see the epoxy lens case at the top, the round one. There is a wire bond connecting two circuit together, that is anode and cathode wire together. In the center there is a reflecting cavity and a semiconductor die that on getting voltage emits the light, right? And if you see, there are two posts, that is called anvil and post, that is also known as lead frame. Okay? And there is one more flat spot there for connecting these LED into proper cavities into the circuits or into plastic bodies of any other equipment, right? So this is all about LED. Totally simple, nothing to worry about, and it's very easy to understand. Now let's see the operating voltage range. An LED can work from 1.5 volt to 24 volt depending on the size of the LED. In AC, you see LED bulbs and LED tube lights, they can work on 110 volts to 220 volts. And here polarity means any component that has two kind of structure, one is positive leg and another one is negative leg. किसी भी component में यदि दो तरह के legs होते हैं, positive and negative legs, then that component is said to have a polarity, right? This is the definition of polarity. Poles जिन्हें बोलते हैं, जिनके अंदर दो poles होते हैं, just like in magnets, north and south pole. वैसे components में, electronics components में positive and negative legs होते हैं. किसी किसी में होते हैं, किसी किसी में नहीं होते हैं, right? So LED have two, one is positive and one is negative. If you see it again, you will know positive one is for anode and negative in technical term is called cathode. Simple. The next one are resistors. These are the most commonly used electronic component in the circuit. They work as circuit breaker, they work as voltage regulator. ठीक है, इनकी जो रेंज है that is from 1 volt to 600 volt in DC, in AC 110 volt to 220 volt, and इसके अंदर polarity नहीं होती. It does not have negative or positive wires. Both the sides are of same terminal, so you can connect it कैसे भी आप इसे connect कर सकते हो in any way, in any format you want, right? Mostly these resistors are used in series combination, mostly, but not in all the cases. And if you can see, there are color codings. Those color codings represent their values as resistors are measured in ohms, OHMS, ohms. The values are in ohms, so these color codes represent the value of resistor. कि कितने ohms का ये resistor है, उसके हिसाब से उसके color codes बनाए गए हैं. That you'll learn in later stage, right? So this is about resistor. Now let's talk about switches, DC switches especially. You can see lot of switches here. That is SPDT, SPST switch. This one is push to on off or kill switch. This is your key switch, keyhole switch, right? And this is your DPDT switch. This is also an emergency switch, or you can say push to on off switch. So there are likewise lot of switches in DC. And if you see this push to on off switch, what you mainly use in your electronic components, there is voltage range is about 0 to 12 volt. Depending on the size of the switch, again it can range up to 36 volts also. It works as a circuit breaker. उसका use ही circuit को तोड़ने के लिए किया जाता है. Until unless you push it on, the circuit will not work. And again, it does not have a polarity. आप इसके terminals को कैसे भी connect कर सकते हैं. It is totally your wish. So as soon as we use different kind of switch, I'll let you know there how the switch works. ठीक है? The next and major component is LDR, that is called as light emitting diode or photodiode. यदि आपको इसको थोड़ा सा देख के समझ में आ रहा हो, so this is not exactly the diode. ठीक है? This is called resistor. Light emitting resistor or light emitting diode. This is a mistake in here, guys. This is not light emitting diode. This is light dependent resistor. Okay, just correct it here. I'll just let it you know. This is light dependent resistor, not light emitting diode. It is also called as photodiode. Okay, because it works on the sun rays or the intensity of light. As soon as you switch on the light, it will allow the current to pass through it. Otherwise, if there is no light, in presence of zero light, it will work as off switch. ठीक है, जब तक इसके ऊपर लाइट नहीं पड़ती तब तक ये स्विच ऑन नहीं होता है इसका. एंड एज सुन एज यू पुट ऑन द लाइट ओवर हियर, इट totally ons the switch and on the circuit. The circuit start working in the presence of light. So this is about LDR, that is light dependent resistor or known as photodiode. ठीक है, इसकी working range is the same, near about 24 volt, works as circuit breaker, and again it does not have a polarity. ठीक है, this is very simple concepts. And do not worry about that wrong term, that is LDR, light dependent resistor. I'm repeating it again. Okay, so this is for all today, but before going back, I'll give you a short working demonstration of LDR. Just hang out with me. I have created a circuit for you guys in the simulating software. ठीक है, here you can see there is one LED, there is one LDR, that is light dependent resistor, there is one 9 volt battery, and there are two wires connecting positive and negative terminals simultaneously. Now I'll start the simulation. So you can see the LED is not glowing right now, right? I'll click on the LDR and I'll increase the intensity of light falling onto it, and as you see, when I go from dark zone to light zone, the heavy light intensity zone, the LED starts glowing. That means this photodiode is working as a resistor, that is also called as a variable resistor, that works under the presence of light. जैसे ही इसके ऊपर लाइट पड़ती है, लाइट की इंटेंसिटी ज़्यादा कम होती है, it glows and it allows the current to pass. But जैसे ही इसके ऊपर हम थोड़ा सा अंधेरा करते हैं, it stops the current flowing from it and it stops the LED from glowing. So this is how an LDR exactly work. right? So this is the simulation software that we'll be discussing about this particular software and making circuit diagrams in coming sessions in the next session itself. So this is all about circuit, and the board what you're seeing in white color is also called as breadboard, where you develop temporary circuits. Right guys, so this is for all this is all for today. I hope if you have any queries, just put it down in the comment section, and I'm trying to make it the video more shorter and shorter so that it consumes less of your time and give you more knowledge, right? So this is all from the simulation end.
So I hope you have enjoyed today's sessions, and I think you might have learned a little bit about LDR, LEDs, resistors, and how those series and parallel combinations look like, those freaky circuits, right? But in the next session, we'll be learning more about these simulation tools and how to use these tools, how to build circuits using breadboards, how you can simulate these circuits in these softwares, right? So I hope today's assignment is very clear to you guys, and you'll be submitting these assignments by, you can say, before Tuesday, right? So you'll be submitting these assignments before Tuesday, and I'll be evaluating all those assignments, and we'll discuss about your problems. And if you have any queries, if you have any doubts regarding today's session, if you have any problem, just put it down in the comment section, not in chat again. Just put it down in the comment section, and I'll answer you there as soon as possible. Okay guys, so those who guys are new to this channel and those who are seeing this video for the first time, I'll request you to subscribe our channel so that you get notified, and I'll request all the students to hit like button so that we can see how many students have turned on for this particular course, because we have got more than 200 enrollments till now. So let's see how many people are turning up and showing up, and just let me know your feedback guys. If there is something what you're missing today and you want to learn more, if you want to pull out the level of this particular course, just let me know in the comment section. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today. This is for today, and see you in the next episode. Stay tuned till then. Stay safe and stay innovative. Jai Hind.